1985 Honda VF500F, just shy of 34,000 miles on it. Pretty much all stock. One of the only differences, the grips are aftermarket. These engine protector frame slider type things are probably vintage to the year, but aftermarket also. I think the previous owner cut out the chain guard a little bit to make room for a slightly wider tire. Just got collector vehicle status last month. There is a slight tear in the seat that I've got patched at the moment, but it could be done better. It's just a cloth patch on there to prevent ripping further. But you can see the tank, the fairing, pretty immaculate. Always been stored indoors. Here, we'll do a start. Slightly warmed up now, so I don't need the choke. Red line's at 12. I always shift at about 4,000, so right about there. It's about as high as I ever go, right there. Still kind of cold though.